Hey, what's up Phantom Fam? How's everyone doing? Today I have an exclusive DIY video on this channel for you. I keep getting asked by a lot of you on how to mount the action camera on your motorcycle helmet and how to get the best footage. Now, to go even one step further, I am going to make this video in two parts. The first part is going to be the most highest quality, the most expensive setup that we can do using the GoPro Hero 7 Black that I have here, and the second setup which deals with an entry-level budget camera, not really the lowest quality ones but one of the best ones I would say, which you can still and which I have personally used in my own vlogs so far until I got the Hero 7. So let's get this video started. So hey guys, welcome back, and as I said, we're gonna start with the first one, which is going to deal with the GoPro Hero 7. Now this is my empty Revenge by Normie graphic helmet here, which as you can see has quite a curved chin right here. So another thing which I did while buying this helmet was I specifically wanted the mount to be in the front and not towards the side or on the top like some people have, because I feel FOV, the field of view from the center, is the best even with both the cameras that I'm going to talk about, and I'll explain to you in a bit. Now to get started, what do we need? You are going to need a GoPro Hero 7. Now I have the black version here, which is the highest one, hyper smooth. I will talk about this camera in possibly another video. You're gonna need the housing that it came with, and you can see they give you with this mount attached right here. Let me just get more light. Yeah, as you can see, it comes with this straight mount, but we are not going to be using this one. We will need a J-hook mount. Now guys, I'm going to leave all the links to all these products down in the description, so don't worry about it. So this is called a J-hook or a J-mount. You're going to need it. It's universal, works with almost all the other action cameras. You're going to need a straight to straight another mount like this so that we can swivel the camera up. Again, I'll explain to you. And we're going to need an extra screw. All this comes in a set. Then we're going to need the proprietary GoPro USB-C cable that came in the box, and the two mounts. Now one of these is a flat mount that we're going to put on the helmet, and the other one, as you can see, is a curved mount here, which we're going to be using for my helmet, but depending on which brand your helmet is, you can also use the flat one. And like I said, now this is what GoPro is most infamous for, and that's the audio adapter. There is just no way of getting around it. There's no way of connecting a mic to your GoPro without having one of these. So without further ado, I'll show you what I did first. And guys, I know there are going to be some questions about using the strap mount that you get now. I'll show you probably the picture here. And let me be honest, I've spoken to a lot of bikers, even the guys in my group, and we're just not comfortable knowing the fact that we're going to tie something to our chin of the helmet, which is going to be strapped down, which means our visor doesn't close all the way down, and sometimes we ride in windy conditions, different weather conditions, and trust me, you don't want your visor to flip up due to wind blast or just open or go flying and compromise your riding. So please use original 3M sticky mounts only. These come off when you crash or in an accident. You're not going to have any extra torque to your head, and it'll be safer also. As you can see, I've already mounted, again, focus, come on boy. As you can see, I've already mounted one here, and it's the curved mount. And what I've done is I've used a little bit of extra 3M tape. Now guys, this has been holding strong for a year. You can see I'm literally holding my helmet with the mount, and it's not come off. I've ridden it in rain, in extreme weather conditions like rain, and as I said, windy conditions. Nothing ever happens. It's solid as hell. Once you stick it, and as I said, it's quite easy. Once you stick it, leave it like that for 24 hours. Don't mount your camera, don't mount anything on it. 24 hours, let it settle, and that's all you need to do. Let's get to how we're gonna mount the camera. Like I said, we'll need the housing, but this one, so let's just get it out of there. Now we're going to use the straight mount. You can go any way you want. Like that. All right. And now we're going to use the J hook, and we're going to mount that one here. I'll show you the whole thing when it's finished. So that I've mounted it, as you can see. Now I have two swivel points here, so I can basically adjust it as per my preference. Now let's get the GoPro in it. So guys, it's getting really hot in Pune, and one of the reasons why I've not been posting regularly is because the ambient temperature outside is like 40 degrees. And you can imagine what happens with us on our motorcycles. It just gets unbearable, and that's one of the reasons why we are even going for our morning rides on weekends really early and coming back. I don't know if I'll put this section into the vlog, but I just thought, you know, it's better you know a little bit more about me if you're watching this for the first time and you don't know where I come from. So we're gonna mount the GoPro in its case. There we go. Now you can see the GoPro is mounted with the two swivel points here. And what I didn't talk about is we're gonna need a generic lapel mic. It's a very simple mic. You can get this on, depending on which country you're in, you can get this on eBay, you can get these on Amazon, or even from your local mobile phone stores. These are really easily available, and they're very cheap. I got this for, I don't remember, but I'll put it on the screen. So that's it. And you can get maybe more of these in case one of these fails or something. They do not, at least it hasn't failed me. Now quickly, let's open the adapter.
This is the most notorious product, as I said, and right now GoPro has it available. So again, the link is down there. Go for it. Unless again you put on a back order sort of thing.
That's it. Such a simple thing. Now what I forgot to do was remove the door of the battery. So yeah, like I said, stuff is gonna happen. You're just not ready for it. So don't worry about the GoPro door. It just comes off very easily, and you can put it back. If you're riding in monsoon, I would say you put it back so you lose your ability to record audio. So you're just gonna pull it out just like that, and now you can see the port is open. Let me quickly just put it back in. There you go, guys. So as simple as that. We're gonna be mounting the adapter like this, and then what my friend Hippodrones has done is he's used Velcro on the side of his helmet. I'll show the picture here, so that when he doesn't want it, he can just easily remove it. Now for the demo today, I don't have Velcro, so I'm just gonna tape it on the side of my helmet so that I can give you a demo of how it sounds with and without the microphone. And this is where you can see it's got a 3.5 mm jack, as well as got a USB 3C port where you can attach a battery pack and record it. And you can see it's easy as that. Now I'll show you how I'm gonna mount the mic. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my microphone right below the chin curtain on the side here, or mostly on this side. That's the left side, because then I can route the cable in under the chin curtain. So let me just remove this and show you how I'm gonna do it. you're not gonna need this clip here, so I suggest you remove it. Again, everything can be put back very easily. I just removed the clip, and as you can see, I just put the mic in there, and I have got a little bit of sticky tape, double-sided sticky tape that's holding the mic there, but also my cheek pad is going to hold the mic pressed. The extra wire that comes with it, I'm gonna shove it down under the cheek pad, and I'm just gonna put a little bit out. So let me show you quickly. Let me assemble it. Okay, welcome back guys. So this is how I have mounted it. Now the reason why I was saying that it's important to have two swivel points is because you're not going to be riding with your head straight on like that, so that straight mount is not going to work. With the J mount, you get the ability, because your head is going to be slightly tilted like this, so you can tilt your camera up. So as you can see, if you're going to be riding straight, if you mounted it with the straight mount, this is the max you can get, but then your angle is going to be very low. But because of the J mount here, I'm able to increase the angle like this. I'll show it to you before we go for a ride, and I'm just going to plug this adapter as if I've shoved the cables. This is quite difficult. So I've shoved the extra cable here behind my cheek pad. It's really not that difficult, and I'm gonna put my chin guard back here so everything gets covered nice and easy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape this to the side here for now, so that I can show you the demo. Now this, guys, is with the GoPro. Let me play you sample clips right now. So hey guys, as you can see, I have taped the adapter here, taken the cable, and then it goes around under the camera into where I mounted it. So I'm gonna do a quick audio test right now, just a short ride. So hey guys, now this is with the mic plugged in with the GoPro adapter, and let me know what do you think about this. Is my voice clear? I'm not gonna mess with the audio settings. I'm trying not to speak very loudly as well because the audio settings are pretty crystal clear, and I checked it once in the studio as well. So guys, let me know how it sounds, and a big shout out and thank you to my friend Hippo Drones. Go check out his channel. I'll leave the link up in the I button and at the end of the screen for helping me out. He's got a much more complicated setup, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram as yet, you totally should. I leave a lot of tips and tricks on that account, so follow me on phantom_rides on Instagram. So let's get back to the studio. So hey guys, welcome back. Now hope you liked the setup on the GoPro. Let me know what you think down in the comments if you have any questions regarding the GoPro in specifically on this setup. Now before we proceed, please guys hit like to the video if you found this useful, and subscribe if you're new. I put out a lot of motorcycle related videos, plus we're gonna do some really good amount of riding next month in the coming weeks, so make sure you subscribe and click on that bell icon. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you the budget alternative to the GoPro, and this is the camera that I have been using so far. It's the Git 2 Pro. It's got 170 degrees view. You get a back LCD screen, and let me just turn it on and show it to you. And guys, one of the biggest advantages with this is that it comes with this microphone. Now this was part of the vloggers kit that I ordered, and unlike the GoPro, you can straight away just mount it into the camera, so you can vlog with it very easy. This is a both of these setups, guys, are run and gun setups. There is no straps, there is no getting ready. You're not going to be wasting your time. Once you set it up, you're ready to go on your motorcycle trips. And like I said, you don't even need extra batteries. All you need is a battery pack like this. This is the one from me, from MI, and it's got plenty of charge in it to make sure that you keep recording for hours. Use class 10C SD card and above to get the best. Now this one does 2K, but all I'll say is if you're doing it for YouTube and not like for professional clients or something like that, then stick to 1080p 60 fps, and that's good. That's what I record on my GoPro as well, because the files get very large if you go to 4K or something like that, and then it just becomes impractical. That's just my point of view. So guys, that's it. Like as I told you, this setup and a GoPro Hero 4 silver case, that's the one they sent me. It's already been, this was sent extra for the vloggers kit, and as you can see, it's cut from the side. It comes with, originally comes with a waterproof case, but like I said, if you want to vlog, you're gonna need this. And basically just repeat the whole setup procedure that I did. Tuck in this microphone under the chin guard. Make sure it's away from your nose, because you don't want your breathing sounds to be in it. I've done that mistake several times. And that's it, you're ready to go. Just that in the monsoon, you're not going to be able to record audio unless you put some sort of a cover on both of these cameras, and that's their limitation. Nothing can be done about it. So guys, quickly I'm going to show you my previous video clip, that my previous vlog that I covered on this, where I was testing my intercom unit here with my group of riders, and you can see how the quality from the get up is. And obviously it doesn't compare. Where did my GoPro go? Obviously it doesn't compare with the GoPro Hero 7. Now guys, let me know what do you think about both these cameras. Which one would you go for? I would say if you're a beginner YouTuber, you do not really know, or you just want to record your rides in the normal fashion, this is good. This is really good. It's going to save you money, and money saved is money earned. And if you want to go all out and you know like your channel is blowing up and you've got your nerve on the content, then go for the Hero 7. Unlike my channel, which has just stopped getting views. That's a topic for another day, I guess. So that's it. I'm going to do this cover shot here, and I'm going to show both the cameras. And guys, make sure, again, like I said, if you're still around, hit that like button, subscribe, leave your comment down below. Use the links that I've given down. They're affiliate links. They do not cost you anything extra. I get a little bit of commission on that. Helps out the channel quite a lot. Thank you for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, Phantom Fam, Phantom Rides out.